currently nasa 20 players kami. So lahat yun, majority nga homegrown. So ang hirap dahil in a sense na dahil nga bagong system para sa kanila, no? And most of them talagang nag-start pa lang talaga sa sport.
We're all adjusting, especially to our new positions. Pero our coaches are helping us with the program, and also yung seniors din namin nakatulong kasi yung culture na gusto namin i-instill is nagagawa namin.
Sa mga gustong manood, we're very happy to have all your support, and sobrang thankful po kami na more and more na nakikilala na ang UPIS Girls Volleyball Team.